Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. Let's see. I am 25 years old this year, and at my age, some of my friends are, they're getting engaged, they're getting pregnant, some have even just recently given birth and they're new parents now. And I am really excited to announce that I too have a new baby in the form of a house. Yes, I bought a house and I'm very proud, very grateful, very excited to share my experience with buying a house and give you a little house tour. So yes, let's get started. Actually, some specs about this house. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It was built in 1979, so a little on the older side, but it's only ever had one owner before me. So he kept it very well, in good condition, and I think he was, for the most part, just living alone too. So yeah, let's get into the tour. So this is the front of the house. The previous owner actually spent a lot of time and money on the landscaping. Yeah, so this path just leads up, and then you'll see like bonsai trees as part of the decor, the oriental decor. And this like wooden bench here is super cute too. It was actually like the nicest landscaping that I've seen when house hunting, so it immediately drew my attention. And then you head into the house through the gate here, and this is the front entry. So the front entry, the door, it's a double door, and I was really pleasantly surprised by this detail, but I actually really liked it. And funny story about the doors. So when I was house hunting, I actually live in San Francisco, and I was looking at homes in Elk Grove, Sacramento area. And so having to drive there to look at homes was already hard enough, but on top of that, because of COVID, you had to make appointments in advance and sign like PED forms and meet with the seller's agent and your agent and all of this stuff. So it was getting to be a lot of work. And then on top of that, because of the low interest rates on mortgage, houses were just like going so fast, and the supply was very low, the demand was high. So I didn't want to get left behind and end up with like rising interest rates. So then I was just like, okay, let's just check out the house, like at least the exterior of the house. And that's what I did for this house. I drove up and I saw the doors and I saw the front landscaping, and I was like, wow, this house is so cool. I put in my offer that afternoon. So I would say it's actually pretty risky of a move to do that, obviously, because you don't know the condition of the inside of the house, you don't know the layout. So I was just relying on the photos on Zillow for the interior, and it's just like hoping and praying that it's clean and it's like in good condition. And when my offer got accepted, I finally made an appointment to check out the house, and it turned out to be really good and really nice and clean inside, so everything worked out. I'm really happy. But still, it's quite a risky move, so I don't know if I would recommend doing that, but in my case, it worked out. So when you go in, sorry, it's gonna be a little echoey because it's so empty in here. When you go in, you'll see there's like a little entry way here, and to the right, we have the living room and some really, this really big window. Sorry, you can hear my neighbors probably. Actually, this neighborhood is so quiet that Like, you can totally hear everyone when they're outside and talking. But anyway, so this window faces the east. So in the morning, it is super nice because the sun comes up and it just shines all the light into this room. So if I were to live here one day, I would make it like a living room and like office just because of the light. And this is what it looks like on the other side. There's like a neat little arch doorway design here too, which is cute because it's different from your regular rectangular frame. So we'll get to the hallway, but across from the living room is the kitchen. And all the appliances are actually pretty new, so I was really happy about that. We got the kitchen here, and they have a trash compactor, which I've never really seen in a house before, so that's really cool. There's 2 dishwashers, which is great because if you have like a small load of dishes, you could just use one of them. There's double sinks and microwave oven or stove and space for a fridge. Let's see, this little counter area is nice for like if you have some bar stools here, you can just eat breakfast here, or you can kind of set up a little dining situation here and kind of have it be like a nook. And this is the family room. It also leads out to the backyard, but the family room has a fireplace. And this door here is leads to the garage, which I was really happy with this garage because it's so roomy. It's a 2-car garage, but just for some reason it looks so big. And it comes with new washer dryers. So I'll show you the backyard in a bit, but let's check out the bedrooms. Oh, this is just the pantry. So this is the main hallway that goes into the bedrooms. This here is a coat closet. And first room here is the first bedroom. Just has one window and closet here. And I actually installed the window or the curtain rods and the drapes by myself with my friend's help. So shout out to Anish. Thank you for helping me with the windows. And across the hallway is the guest bathroom and also the bathroom that the 3 smaller bedrooms will share. So this one will get used quite a lot. A cool feature about this bathroom is that there's jetted tub. It's a jetted tub, so you can do like a little jacuzzi or bubble bath. The toilet is also new. I actually just replaced it. Okay, so next is the second bedroom. It's the same size and layout as the first one, but there's a little detail here that's cool. The closet has like wooden panels, so I think that looks really neat. I wish the other rooms' closets had that too. But yeah, other than that, same thing as the other bedroom. This is the master, which we'll get into. This is the third bedroom, and let me turn on the light for this. So third bedroom, the layout's slightly different. The window is back here, which is facing west. So this room actually will probably get the best lighting towards the afternoon, like golden hour. It'll be nice and cute in this room, so that's a nice selling point for whoever wants this room. And the closet is here. All right, so the master, this one, so this here in between the third bedroom and the master is just a linen closet, I think, with some extra drawers for storage space. And so this is the master bedroom, and it has 2 closets. They're the same size, I think. And then its own bathroom. So with a standing shower. And I also replaced this toilet, so this one's brand new as well. All right, so the backyard. So the backyard actually has this really cute design with the kind of like a drapey willow tree. And then this arch here, and you go through it, and it's a huge lot with the shed. And on the other side of the house is kind of like the same little arch there, and it's just some trees in the back. But yeah, the backyard is huge, but there's just not as much landscaping as the front yard. All right, that is the end of the house tour and the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about my experience buying a house for the first time, let me know, comment down below, or you can ask me on Instagram. My handle is down below. Let's see, if you have any questions about, investment property, let me know. Also, I'm still learning myself, but it'll be nice to just, chat it out, learn together. Yeah, I'm really excited for my journey. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!